Hey, it's Greg King and welcome to Affiliate Tube Success Academy, affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, if you're kind of thinking about doing something online, but you're not really sure and you're kind of exploring things, you don't know really where to turn, well, I can promise you this, you can do something extraordinary. So the challenge with finding a business to do online is startup costs. So I need a website. What kind of products do I sell? How much do I spend on ads? How do I differentiate myself from the crowd? Like, what do I do? Then all of a sudden you put the rest and say, nah, maybe next time. So what I would suggest is check out Paul Murphy. He has an amazing course where you don't need a website, you don't need startup costs, like zero startup costs. You don't need a 1-800 number. You do not need to have a customer service line. You don't worry about clawbacks. You don't worry about accounting. You worry about nothing. And as I mentioned, you don't have to worry about any startup costs. It's actually phenomenal. And what he does, what he specializes in, is the 24-hour ranking system of how you can actually get your product, service, or affiliate marketing product on the first page of Google and YouTube within minutes. It's amazing. Now, I made the mistake of actually starting an online business with product with Shopify. And I can tell you, I spent so much money on ads that I sold some product. But the reality is, I was putting all that product back into ads. It wouldn't take long for me to spend $2,000 to $3,000 to sometimes $4,000 a month just to break even with my ads. And the whole purpose of having an online business is to be able to subsidize my lifestyle, not have my equity subsidize my online business. And all of a sudden I came across a guy called Paul Murphy in his 24-hour system, and he blew me away. And I got online with his affiliate side, and I thought, what a great way to contribute to people is by showing them not to do what I did, but to actually have startup costs of nothing, where you just organically rank on the first page of Google and YouTube. And not only rank on the first pages, but also you can rank on the first, second, and third level. So you can take up the whole first page of YouTube and Google. Well, if I've tweaked your curiosity and it's of interest to you, I've left 2 links in the bottom, one in the description box and also in the comment section. You can take a look at it today or tomorrow, or when you have time, and see if this would make sense for you to generate extra income per month. Now, until next time, please hit the like button, subscribe button, so you won't miss another one of my videos. Also leave a message in the comment section. Let me know if this would make sense for you or not. Until then, have yourself an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon.